Hello, my name is Donncha Hughes. I'm a business advisor, trainer, and mentor, and I'm an expert in creating financial projections which accompany business plans. And I want to help you to create financial projections for your business. So I've created an online course called Creating Financial Projections for Your Local Business, which goes through step by step how to create financial forecasts. So I meet a lot of startups and owners of micro enterprise. In talking to them about financial projections, I suppose the three biggest problems are they don't know exactly where to start. They're not an accountant, they're not sure how to factor in things like loan interest and depreciation, and they're not sure how to make their figures look ambitious yet realistic. And this program solves all of those problems. We start off with an Excel template which you can download. This does a lot of the work for you because it's pre-populated formulas in there. I'll then do a very quick video outlining the fundamentals of accountancy as relevant for the financial projections, and I will then use a fictitious case scenario to create financial projections for a business using real numbers. You can then use the step-by-step process to create financial projections for your own business. And you might be creating them for an enterprise agency, for the bank, possibly for a big supplier or a big customer. The reviews for this course are excellent, that it does exactly what it sets out to do, and it helps people to create financial projections for their own business.